Hello everybody, and today I'll be talking about a little history of the world. Chapter 3, The Land by the Nile. So in this chapter we'll be studying about Egyptians. And you probably know the first king to rule over them, and he was called King Menes. So he built, Egyptian kings told their slaves to make really big white tombs of white marble, and when the slaves got tired, they always have to face the wrath of the king's overseer and his hippopotamus skin whip. So they would have to go on and on even when they felt tired. And they only had rollers and pulleys at that time. They didn't have any building machines. They had to pull those cubic big feet of white marble by themselves. And why they did this was because they thought every king was a son of a sun god, and so that's why they feared him and did everything they told and he told them to. And they placed really you probably heard of the Sphinx, which is like a human head on a lion's body. It's like the Egyptians' secret animals, and also the cats too. So they put those outside the tombs, and they actually put and they also put obelisks, which are actually called, I think, little spears in Greek. It means little spear in Greek, I think. So yeah, and they put lots of because they put lots of statues, memorial statues for them, stone statues, and they put mummies. They made them into mummies because you've probably heard of mummies where they rub them in ointments and stuff. So that leaves the body preserved, which is really good. And because they think that they would have this afterlife, so then their soul could go into the right tomb for visiting. And they also thought that they were also very proud of their writing, and they were and their sun god was called Orisis. And for example, if you want to write Orisis, then you draw a throne, which is pronounced as Us, and then you draw an eye, which is pronounced as Eri. So, and then you draw a P next to its name, which and the P represents God. And so now you know how to write Orisis. But they I think they call it hieroglyphs or something. I can't really pronounce it. It's Hieroglyphs, I think. So yeah, so if you want to find out how to spell it, you can. So yeah, and we know this because in the British Museum in London, actually, we've got something called the Rosetta Stone, which has lots of Egyptian writings and stuff carved into it. So that's why it helped us decipher lots of stuff. And it's in the British Museum, so in London. So if you want to go there, you can, to go and see it. And yeah, that's all for today. Bye.